Students, be very much attentive. Today we will study subject complements. First of all, we would like to know what the subject is. Clear? Teacher punished Naima. Clear? For example, she is Naima. Okay? I just punished her. Okay? Teacher punished Naima. Clear? So, teacher is subject. Punished is verb. Naima is object. Clear? So, how you define subject? Doer of action. What is subject?
Doer of action.
Doer of action. What is the verb? The action performed. The action performed. Clear? What is object? Receiver of action. She is receiver of action. Clear? I am doer of action. She is the receiver of action. And the action performed, that is punished. Clear? So this is subject. So what is the subject complement that completes the subject? Clear? The word that completes the subject is called a subject complement. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
I may ask anybody, what is subject complement? What is subject complement? Hold on, keep silent.
Teacher. Subject that complete complement.
A word that completes the subject. This is the problem. You don't have notebooks with you. No, don't have pencil with you. Keep the pencil with you. Write the definition. Nobody has written the definition of subject, definition of object, definition of verb. Clear? And definition of subject complement.
Sir, please repeat what is subject complement?
The word that completes the subject. The word that completes the subject. It may be a noun, it may be a verb. Clear? For example, look at the word please. It should be done by you. It should be automatically done by you. You do it yourself. Clear? Don't tell me or don't ask me. Make your own notes during the short lecture. He is the boss. Clear? What is he? Raise your hands. He? Subject. Is the linking verb. It links subject to the complement. Is the linking verb that links the subject to the complement. Clear? They always follow linking verbs. Clear? So there is a linking verb before this. Clear? Before the subject complement, there is always a linking verb. Is a linking verb that is coming before the subject complement. If I say he is the, does it make any sense? It makes the sense. It makes the sense, but it does not complete the sense. Or it does not give the complete sense. Clear? He is the. You may be asking me a question, what he is the, sir? What he is the? Clear? So there is some question that comes to our mind, what he is the. Clear? Until and unless I write boss. Clear? So this boss is completing this subject he. Who is completing the subject he? Boss. Clear? That's the reason boss is called SC. What is SC?
Subject complement.
Subject complement. Clear? He became a doctor. Clear? So what is he?
Subject.
Subject. Clear? Became. It's not verb, it's linking verb. It's LV, linking verb. Clear? Why it is a linking verb? Because it is linking subject to a complement. Why became is a linking verb? Look at the board, please. Don't play with your notebooks. If you are packing your notebooks in advance, you will go in the end. I'll stop you here. All the students will go and then you may be going. Clear? Don't be in that much hurry. Clear? He became a doctor. Clear? So doctor is a complement. Subject complement, completing the subject here. The man seems tired. Okay? The man is a subject and tired is completing the subject, that is subject complement, and seems is a linking verb. Clear? Thank you very much. Have a nice time.